Happy Friday and welcome to Daytime Live. No, you know, say everybody happy now, not Craig, because Pierre just run. So all of you in the bank, save a little $2,000 for me, you know, we can go do like a drink.
I'm not sure if everybody happy still, you know, free paper, I go bunny now too.
You know, hey, listen, we're going right there. Right there we do, because, you know, results and all that came up. Yeah. But remember, you can catch up with Daytime Live on televisionjamaica.com. You can catch snippets, well, buzz, as well as chat on... Hold on, what missed I a while ago? Buzz and chat on YouTube.
Hold on. I will have a new Facebook page as well, so make sure you follow the chat on Facebook and join us live. It's TVJ Daytime Live.
Yes, hashtag TVJDTL on Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. Now you kind of rush a thing and say free paper bun, but they kind of want to simmer it in a little. But you know, we have to, we know, the kids are not frightened because...
But back to school is a thing where you have to just tear off the band-aid, you know. You just have to jump in.
Yeah, no healing time at all.
It don't really make sense. But everybody kind of tense right now because the results just came out. Yeah. So, you know, everybody kind of wondering what the next move will be. Will they go as far after CSEC, after Cape, them wondering, you know, what the next move will be.
And there was a whole debacle around that because some people were saying the results were supposed to come out at a certain time and then it was delayed and then it was delayed again, and then usually you have CSEC, is it Cape results first and then CSEC after, I believe. But no, them send out two of them same time.
Are different things.
You know. Yeah, man, that's how this money book A-levels and O-levels and I wonder if you do two different things. Say have like the unit one at Cape. First of all, everybody thinks they're CXC are CXC with everything.
Right.
So CXC is the body. For those, let me just get a little education.
So tell them what it stands for.
So CXC, Caribbean Examination Council. Right. That's the body. And then under that you have CSEC, which is done at 11th grade. Right. And then you have Cape. You have 2 units at Cape.
1 and 2.
You learn.
No, I learn. So I listen.
Units 1 and Unit 2. Now, some school might do Carib studies at Unit 1, and then the Com studies at Unit 2, which is strange. My school did Com studies at Unit 1 and 2. And they have like sociology, history, all the other subjects. But, you know, kind of bittersweet for me. Bitter, because my results weren't so good when I did Cape. Man, I have 5 in history.
A long time that, but I go like it just. Don't go like it just. Don't go like it just.
But, you know, it doesn't matter because I went to university and I did well. And I know I work.
And we're proud of you.
Oh, yeah.
Good to say, respect. But think there, the other day there was supposed to be and I said supposed to be, a solar eclipse. I never seen an eclipse. The closest thing I saw to an eclipse was the gum thing that they online. That was the closest thing I saw to
one thing with people, you know, they always find some creative ways and some funny ways to put some sort of, even though it's not something, it wasn't something so serious, but some sort of humor to it. And the eclipse one actually really killed me.
Yeah, that was the funniest one.
Donald Trump staring exactly
with the box of gum that them put in front of this one.
You saw President Trump staring exactly at the...
Well, only for people are of the opinion that him for blind state, so him can look if he wants to.
It was a huge thing at my office. Most of the ladies came out, they were so excited to see this eclipse, but they got fooled. Because I don't think we really saw. I think it was partial for Jamaica.
Yeah, and it's not something that you can see just like that either, unless it's complete.
Somebody was so skilled that they had the negative effect of a film and then put it out so you could actually see it, which is strange.
I used to people in Portmore side. I don't know if it's different. But Portmore Sun different still.
So, I was just about to come to that one.
Yeah, Portmore Sun a different.
It's a different setting going over there, so them that must see it. Yeah, man, but it was interesting. I think it's been a couple of years since, you know, we've experienced that. Some states though in the United States, they got it really well. There was somebody had a video out where the place just went, you know, the sun crossed and whatever, and then it went pitch black.
Oh yeah, really?
And then there was one captured from a flight. So it was some interesting sightings,
cool.
Even though we never really see it out here.
Well, it's a good thing whenever I run go buy the glasses. I
know much for the glasses still, but it would have been something cool. But we'll pull back a little to back to school preparations, because we don't talk about CSEC and Cape and you get your results. Now back to school, parents all over the place.
Right.
Today, everybody get them paycheck and it done by next week.
Done. Not done before. It done already. It done before. It done before.
Tomorrow, you know, the town flood.
Everybody want them partner draw. Back to school is a thing.
So for you though, what's that like? Because you know, say you have a young one going to school.
I have 3 children going to school, so you know, so back to school rough. So we have to do on the grind. I mean, it's a busy time. Thank God I don't have to do it alone. You know, my girlfriend she takes care of a lot of that stuff. So you know, that's the greatest thing when you have a family unit, because you know sometimes, you know, single parents is really difficult, especially if they have more than one children.
And it's a similar case to me because right now, my sister and I, we're the guardians for my nieces, right?
Right.
One starting Holy Child because she just did GSHA. She started school September. The other one, I'm moving her from her current school because I kind of want to, you know, in full control now. And it's expensive.
Yeah,
well, you know, it's, when I look on it, I remember now why mommy used to say, boy, you know.
High school are the less expensive part.
But that's the...
tell you about prep school tuition. That tell you about.
That's a whole different bargain. But you know, the kids have to go to school. And I just think it's important that parents make wise decisions as it relates to this. You know, in terms of certain expensive. No matter what people come tell you about them, wait name. Certain brand and whatever.
Yeah, and school fee enough for muggling a dance. You know, Bridget telling them things from long time. I mean, the thing is, it's very important to be responsible. At the end of the day, this is the future you're talking about. So you want to make sure that the sacrifices that are gone through, you go through them so that that child can get the best possible education. So, you know, that's the most important thing. At the end of the day, we want to see the best for them.
Agreed. And you know, a lot, you know, the little dressmaker might make some money, you know, call uniform, so on. And I think it's also going to be a little bit different for some parents as well, because you know, given some circumstances that's been happening in the past, or kidnapping thing, you know, children are going missing and all of that. That's going to be heightened. I feel this time around. You know, some parents now really want the kids them to take public transportation or whatever, but majority of the children have to take it. But it's just that parents will now have to instill in them, you know, creative ways, not creative way, but ways to be secured and reiterate that. So I think that's going to be a narrative going forward for this school year.
Definitely.
Keep them safe.
Big up to all of the teachers too, because you don't know, you know, you are the ones that really keep the thing alive, you know what I mean?
Yes, teachers and doctors and everybody.
Yeah,
medical.
man.
Speaking of medical.
Yeah, right now there's a thing going on at UA Hospital. They're wondering if they'll get the accreditation because of, you know, overcrowding.
The thing is, they have it already, you know. They have it already, but what's happening is that you just mentioned the overcrowding situation, where to maintain that, to maintain their credentials, they have to have a certain number of beds, matching up with the practice of students coming in, matching up with the patients. Now, what's happening there is now they have a overpopulation. It's been going on for a little while, and a reason for the overpopulation, Cornwall Regional Hospital, they are doing some refurbishing down there. So some services they'd have to send the patients to here. But what I like about it, even though it's threatening their credentials, what I like about it is that they're trying to find ways to combat it.
Always.
You know?
Always. And I can speak personally about UA Hospital. They always go the extra mile to make sure that the parents get, the patients get top-notch care.
Top-notch care. And
always.
It's a sad situation, but still, I'm kind of still a hold the faith, and they're still trying to ensure that the patients get the best care possible. But we know, we'll ensure that we rally around the hospital so they don't lose their credentials, because what they're doing is amazing. But yeah, man, that's all we have buzzing for now. We have much more to talk about.
So see you when we come back on Daytime Live.